How to see deleted messages on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see deleted messages on Facebook and what actually works. So here before we start, here is the truth. So once a message is permanently deleted on Facebook Messenger, you cannot recover it. But don't worry, there are still few methods that you can try to recover the messages that was deleted. So here let's go with the first method, that is to check the archive chats. So sometimes chats are not deleted, they are just hidden. So here what you can do is you can just open the Messenger app, and after that you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you are inside the menu section, you can just tap on archive, and there you can check if the message was there or not. And with that, moving forward to the second method, that is to download your Facebook data. So here, if your messages was deleted in the Facebook Messenger, then sometimes you can get that messages by downloading your Facebook data. And to do that, you just have to open the Facebook account and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here once you're inside, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy, and after that you can just tap on settings. Now here, once you are inside this section, you just have to tap on the account center. And now here, once you are inside the account center, just tap on your information and permission. And here in this section, you can just tap on export your information. And after that, you can just follow the on-screen prompts to download your Facebook data. And with that, moving forward to the next method, that is to ask the other person. So it's another simple trick. So here, if you forget the deleted messages, then what you can do is you can directly ask the other person, and if they know the messages, then you can tell them to resend that particular messages again on the Facebook. And with this, there is no app or tool that can fully recover deleted messages on Messenger or Facebook. And with that, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.